I notice these seagulls sometimes rock back and forth. Hope you can see that one. It's just standing in the water, head nestled back in its back, and it's just rocking back and forth. It's kind of like a little lullaby. Must be very contented. I try to get a little closer. I hope you can make it out. I just think it's interesting. It seems like they have a pretty good life down here. There's one. Somewhere I heard they stand on one leg to stay warm, to conserve heat. I don't know if it's true. I think they do it just so we wonder about it.